Hi everyone, I thought I'd do a quick video about how I filter the repurposed cooking oil and make it into soap. So I'll show you how I do that now. So this is the, sometimes it comes in a drum like this. Sometimes it comes in a large bottle like that from the local cafes and restaurants in my suburb in Queanbeyan, New South Wales, Australia. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I do that. So I have a series of buckets here, which I'll angle the camera eventually so you can see that. But what I'm going to do is I just basically filter through a series of different weave cheesecloths to filter out most of the impurities. So the reason I do this is because there is so much oil, waste cooking oil, that goes into landfill or down the drain. Some of it is used for biodiesel, which is the other use for used cooking oil, but not much of it is made into soap. So I thought I would do that. I do it outside because it's quite messy. So I call this one number 1. So that's the first pour that's going through. Then I have number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and I'll show you what that looks like. So I'm just going to turn the camera down. So as you can see, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, and then this one is number 5. At this point, I'll just lift the camera up again so you can see me. At this point, what I do is I add flour. So I'll just get plain flour and cover the circumference of the bowl or container, whatever it is, and I will let that flour settle and sift all the way down to the bottom. And that is actually purifying the oil as it's going down. If I wanted to do an extra step, I could boil it with water and then separate the two. But at this stage, flour is all that's needed to settle that down. So I wait for a couple of days for that to be settled, and then, as you can see here, I pour it into this big funnel, and then it goes into one of these containers here, which has a tap, which you can't see either. There, I know you can't see it. You can see all that waste cooking oil that I have there. No, you can't see it. Anyway, it has a tap, so that it's easy to take out when I need to take out the oil to make the soap. So what I'll do next is I'll show you how I make a batch, a small batch of